Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm in Putrajaya Botanic Garden in Malaysia, and this is a group of Knema trees. What is Knema? Well, it's a genus in the Myristicaceae. It's basically a close relative of the nutmeg. And the biggest difference in the fruit seems to be that in Knema the maize is whole, while in the nutmeg, in Myristica, it is basically some type of net. Not sure if this is the official difference, but that's what I have observed. In all the Knema species, the maize is basically one massive red layer, while in Myristica it is net. Well, what species of Knema is this? Knema sp. So in a lot of cases when I do fruit videos, I cannot identify the fruit, or I can identify it only to the genus level. But I don't seem to be the only person guilty of this. Even a professional botanic garden cannot identify everything from the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, so they just write Knema sp. I guess they had some good reason to collect this plant, even without properly identifying it, or maybe it is not possible to identify it, but you have to describe it as a new species, who knows? Well, what I'm most interested in is the taste. Quite a colorful Knema. The inside of the rind is a little bit pinkish and the maize is bright orange. The rind, sour and astringent, not as good as the rind of most Myristica species. Now the maize. Astringent and incredibly sticky. It's sticking to my teeth. Ugh. Not pleasant. And now the seed inside. This is what in Myristica fragrans is the nutmeg, but in Knema the seed looks like a Myristica seed, but it's basically not aromatic enough to be used. Slight bitterness and not much else. So folks, this was some Knema species. I guess that this tree here is the same, but just flowering. There seem to be green and yellow. Yeah, I guess that those are the flowers, maybe the male flowers. Well, this was some species of Knema, of unidentified Knema, unidentified even by the Botanic Garden of Putrajaya. Stay tuned for, well, a couple more fruit videos, because this Botanic Garden, even the fruit tree collection seem to be quite devoid of fruit. Yes, stay tuned for a couple more fruit videos from the Botanic Garden of Putrajaya. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.